This guy is one of the big bosses for my special master design piece. You know him as the leader of the Bagra army. That's right, this guy is back. Tonight we're gonna draw a Mega Darkness Bagramon. Yeah, you probably don't know this, but his name ends with Mon. Just like I've shown you once before. They usually named him Lord Bagra, even though he's a Digimon. But his real name is Lord Bagramon. Anyway, here's his eyes. Anyway, you probably already know this. Mega Darkness Bagramon, he's got eyes on his chest. And he's got like this mammoth-like golden look on his chest. There we go. Here is Lord Bagramon's arm. There we are. There we are. One thing about Mega Darkness Bagramon, this guy is basically a slide evolution for Lord Bagra and Axe Nightmon merged into one. Well, first off, Axe Nightmon took control first, then Lord Bagramon took control as well. It's like a slight evolution. I feel like this isn't the last we'll ever see of Lord Bagramon. As always, when Digimon die, they always are brought back and have to start their life cycle all over again. What? I saw the Digimon reboot. Well, I saw the original Digimon. Here are the ribs for Lord Bagramon's back. I think these are tusks. Here's Lord Bagramon's hair. First off, we start off with Axe Knightmon's foot. There we are. There we go. Here is Lord Bagra's toes. Now we just draw his crow's feathers. After Lord Bagra evolved into Mega Darkness Bagramon, he had these feathers sticking out of his back. Even when he didn't have these, I think Lord Bagra still possessed the ability to fly. What do you guys think? There we are. Takes care of that. One last thing to draw, and that's his really big cape. This is what happens when he merged with the power of the Dark Stone. This is the result of D5, huh? Turning into something bigger than your normal self. I gotta be careful, this part of the thing is mostly wet. There. There we go. And done. There he is. That is how you draw Mega Darkness Bagramon. This is the true power of the Bagra army. It may sound insane, but it's amazing. Anyhow, that's how you draw Mega Darkness Bagramon. Let me know what Digimon you want me to draw next. And hopefully it'll be as good, it'll be as awesome as this one. Dark Digifuse.